about body language, about communication, lots of different things which I will let him explain. Today's session is going to take about an hour. Ali is then going to come back on Thursday during the whole inset day, and he's going to do a follow-up session based upon what we do today. So we're going to have a short break partway through the session, and we're going to ask you to complete a form. He will also on Thursday be doing this session, which is very much going to be based upon questions and answers, listening to what he has said today. So start and formulate those questions so that you can be using his time to good effect on Thursday. Okay, please, if you have a phone with you. So I'm going to pass you over to Ali just now.
Thank you very much, Ms. Lucy. I want to request everybody, because I can see a lot of vacant chairs here, if you can please move forward. And as Ms. Lucy mentioned, I'm going to silence my phone and put it upside down so it doesn't disturb us during the discussion. So about me, my name is Muhammad Ali. I am a loving father, a caring human being, a Muslim carrying a Pakistani passport, and I do NLP trainings, I do body language trainings, I do life coaching, I do Silva Ultra Mind, which is awakening of sixth sense. You might be wondering, why did I start like that? Because there is a difference between human being and human doing. Me being caring, loving, a father is my human being acts, and me doing trainings is my human doing. So I do trainings. Likewise, you guys are in the industry of making human beings. There is a verse in Urdu which I will translate for you in English. Very famous poet Iqbal, he said that the teachers are like the shayukh, right? So he said that the teachers are like industrialists. The only difference is their industry is human being. They don't deal with machines. What I'm going to do today right now here is a very interactive session. I would like your involvement. You're all free to contribute, ask questions. If something is missing, let me know. The three main pillars of the talk today will be based on to know who you are. That will be the first pillar. Second is to know who your audience is, which is students for right now or even anybody else. And the third is the title that you see up here on the screen, Teaching Excellence. How can you achieve that excellence? Before I start, I would like to know, what is that you would like to achieve out of today's session? So let's do some agreement on what we want to achieve and what we are going to achieve. Let me just put it on this side so it makes it easier probably for everybody. Before I move forward, I would like to ask one simple question. What do you see here? Point, target, what else? Sorry? Beautiful point. Beautiful white paper, excellent. What else? Emptiness, excellent. Point. Focus. Okay. What do you see now? Okay. Shape. What else? And now? Okay. And now? And now,
Misuse of paper.
charge me for that, please. You know, this paper was the child which came to you. And we all filled this child with what we wanted to see. Right? So now it depends. You fill him with crosses, you fill him with ticks, you fill him with slouch, right? Or choice is yours. Everything is yours.